Well, welcome back to my channel, Ashton Drake Love. I'm here with baby Cassandra. When I was giving her good wipe down, good one, yes. When I give her the cough medicine that the doctor, gave her and Keely, because it's a little stronger than what I've been giving them. As you know, I told I'll give you an update on how the medicine's working. It's working fabulous. So they definitely, needed a little, update, a little bit more, stronger dose. It's working perfectly. Have you noticed? No cough. Yeah, so hopefully we're getting somewhere. Yeah, Cassandra. Yeah, I figured out, I was thinking about, taking the swing out and letting him have a little fresh air, the two that have been having this cough. But it looks like the sky is getting all gray, and it looks like, we're gonna have rain. Not complaining, my mom and I, we love this kind of weather. But no, it does look like rain's coming. We do have a little sunshine, but no, the sky, yeah, looks like rain, is coming. So we guess we do it another day when the sky looks, blue and it don't look like it's gonna rain. Yeah, I don't want to be out there and let them have a little fresh air because they've been having this cough. So I've been keeping them inside. Um, so yeah, I don't want to be out there and it starts pouring on us and stuff, anything like that. So yeah, but no, she's doing good. Yeah, and she's still nice and clean. Yeah, huh, Cassandra? Yeah, I remember I did say, yeah, I'll give you guys an update on how the medicine's working. Yeah, but it's working out, again, it's working out perfectly. Again, all they needed was a stronger dose and than what I was giving them. And they don't cry when I give it to them. This cherry flavor, I get, they love this cherry flavor, but the cough medicine that I was giving them, they didn't. If you go back, they do not. They cried, and then obviously, I'm guessing it tasted nasty, but they don't cry. But no, it's working so far. So give that thumbs up, huh? Can you say hi? Say hi. Yeah, she's a little cutie pie. Yeah, mommy's gonna take you and Keely outside and, have a little fresh air. But the sky looks like we're gonna have rain. Like I said, yeah, we do have sunshine, but the sky, if you go outside, it does look, it's getting all gray. It does, so, we may, be getting rain soon. That's what it looks like. Huh? But Grandma and I is not complaining. No. You have a little something by your eye. There you go. Oh, but no, yeah, I just wanted to go on really quick and let you guys know, yeah, that stronger dose is working. I am so happy. It's working. This cough, just wouldn't go away, and yeah, that's when I called the doctor, and yeah, let him know. Can I get a stronger dose? I'll continue what I'm giving them. But no, yeah, this new medicine that he described to them, it's working. Um, it says on there the bottle. It says every 4 to 6 hours as needed. So I'm giving it, as needed, because it doesn't say, like, how medicine sometimes you take, it just says, yeah, as needed. So if it has been, close to time for it, you know, it's needed medicine, huh? Yeah. Oh, boo. Oh, boo. Oh, you don't laugh? Oh, no laugh for her? She's just happy she's not coughing. Yes, you get a cough and a cough and a cough. And baby kitty too. Yeah. So adorable. And she's still nice and clean. That powder did work. So yeah, next time she does get she needs it again, a good wipe down. I'm gonna get like a makeup brush and kind of dip it in, and that'll probably be better. Because if you go back and yeah, look, I was just getting the baby powder and on her body. So yeah, I need to get mommy to get a makeup brush, and we need a pacifier holder. Can you say hi? Can you say hi, little girl? Okay, no highs. I think she's trying to get sleepy. She's ready for her afternoon nap. Huh, little girl. Yes. Are you starting to get sleepy? Is that why there's no cooing? Huh, little girl. Well, yeah, I'm going to let you guys go from here. I'm going to, yeah, get her to, take an afternoon nap. But no, yeah, I just wanted to get on and give you guys kind of an update how this new medicine, this cough medicine, is working, and it's working perfectly. I actually need to call the doctor and tell him because he wanted to know, if it is working. So I do need to, call him and let him know it is working. So yeah, they did need a stronger dose of what I was giving them. Yeah, see, there's no cough. Yeah, no cough. Yeah, this is just for everyone. If you get sick, if you think about it, if you get sick and like a cough is involved, it takes forever for that cough to go away. Huh. You too? It's just taking forever, but hope this medicine um would do its job so far. Yeah, I've been noticing even if it's been like a few hours after I gave her the medicine, no cough, so it is, so give it thumbs up. But no, I guess let's go from here. She's not even cooing, so she's probably getting ready, ready for her afternoon nap. But no, I guess let's go from here. Give this video a thumbs up. Hit that bell. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And yeah, we see you next time. Bye.